nowadays, and I need loads of money.
So you're in lane 1,
Yeah.
you're turning left, your indicator's on. What does that line in the middle mean?
This,
Yeah?
that I can only stay on this, I can't go that
Yeah.
side.
So is it showing you which way your road goes?
Yeah.
Is it like a lane divide? Warning you of a potential hazard? Yeah?
Mm. So if I'm in right, then it means I can go other side up.
Yes. Yeah, you'd go down towards town. So in lane 1, you can only turn left towards Wakefield. In the lane on the right, you turn left towards, not Wakefield, but
You go to the Gate Road.
that's
basically,
right,
Gate
yeah.
Road, yeah.
And then in lane 2, you can go ahead towards town.
Straight.
Yeah. There should be a red sign on the left-hand side below this traffic light telling you that the road junction layout has changed. They usually stick them in. So if you complain to your local councillor, you know, at the moment there's your independent councillors that are buzzing on TikTok. Send them a message. I don't know the names of the 3 of them. They sit by schools where them gas canisters, you know, saying everyone's smoking these or whatever they are. You should tell them to change the sign over here or add a sign.
I will.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. There's I don't know who they are. So we're going to continue following the road ahead, and then you said to me you're taking the 3rd exit in lane 1, and you'll signal immediately after the 2nd exit.
Yeah.
Can I show you where you should be signalling?
Yeah, please. I know where it should be, but I just mismanage it.
If you know where you need to be signaling, even if you can't signal there, can you tell me where you should be signaling?
Like here, I should be here.
Yes,
Signal to exit.
that's right. Yeah. Can you do that for me at the roundabout when you're coming off?
We're doing 3rd exit in left lane, and we're going in left lane as well.
Yes. See, now what I do is I look in all my mirrors, I look around, I scan the road for any obstructions or variations to roundabout that I need to be aware of. Remember how far from the lorry you should be at all times. Now to stay in 2, look, do your observations. If it's safe, go.
This is where I failed.
Okay, do we need to be signalling here?
Yeah.
Now, what speed are we doing around the roundabout?
70.
Isn't that a little slow? What speed are we doing now? We need to go up in gears. This is the only part of the roundabout you're getting wrong. You need to, once you realise you're safe and you've done what you needed to do, you need to then increase your speed. Okay,